yeah. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Yeah, right there. Oh.
What are you doing? Hello? I feel like I'm talking to a cat now. Are you trying to jerk off?
Scratch myself. Shit.
Are you getting your spot? No? Weren't you reading the center of your back? You could get that with your hand. How about your butt? You have to scratch your butt too, right? Are you humping someone? Humping? It's like you're back humping a wall. If that ever even makes sense. Now you look like you're dancing. This makes no sense to me at all. Oh, it's a hooker ball! You're all good?